Hey everyone, this is HG Manufacturing launching another new product today. This is the anodized aluminum billet map sensor mount. This is made of 6061 billet aluminum, anodized black, like a lot of our other products are. It's got the HG Manufacturing logo laser etched into it, and this will house and protect and mount your GM 3-bar map sensors that are commonly used on most of the aftermarket EFI systems. I've been using these for a very long time. AC Delco brand or whatever I can find that's reliable, and they simply use 2 fine thread screws. They screw right into the bottom side of this mount, which I will do here shortly, and this will mount to your firewall or sheet metal, whatever you got in your engine bay, and the mount itself will protect the sensor from a little bit of heat. It'll shield it a little bit from heat. It'll also protect it from rain and other chemicals splashing on it. And it also adds some flare to your engine bay to make it look pretty cool. So I'm going to take a second, screw this in, and then show you what that looks like mounted. And here we are back again with the sensor mounted using these two black screws. I try to use black hardware when I can because it matches most of the products I'm launching. If you buy this mount, I'm going to go ahead and include some screws to mount these common 3-bar map sensors. Some of the screws are actually able to sink down into the sensor more, so they're basically hidden. And then in this particular instance, because I had this hardware already, let's see if this will focus. It comes out outside the body of the map sensor and uses washers. So I'll figure out which ones I want to throw in with the mount and include those. But this is it assembled. We've got 2 number 8 mounting holes that I'm going to show. I'm going to show one of these mounted in one of my cars here soon. I'm going to get down to it. I'm going to clean up this little bracket first, and then I'll mount the sensor and mount and show you guys what that looks like. Here's the billet map sensor mount installed on the bracket that I had previously cleaned. Went on super easy. The holes are sized for number 8 screws. You can use hex head like I did. I usually like to use a socket head cap screw, so that's typically my preference. I'll probably end up running out and grabbing some of those for this particular car and the other car that I'm going to put this mount in. But yeah, there it is. Visit hgmanufacturing.net. You can see these as well as all the other products that I've been launching lately. Grab yours today. It'll ship out next day. Thank you.